can already tell you that I have some bigger items in mind. Hey guys, this is Jennifer Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing video. I feel like I haven't done one in a while, maybe, okay, I think last month, yeah. So anyways, today I will be unboxing my Walmart beauty box for the fall. So let's see what we have in here. I have seen a few other people do their unboxings and I was not really impressed with what they got. So let's see what I got in mine. And I just want to say, if you're watching this at some other time, it is currently October and it's almost Halloween time, so we're spooky-fied right now. And also, let me just rep for my boys. Even though we're doing really, really bad right now, they're still my boys. And I still rep them because that's what a true fan does. Even at their worst times, we're gonna get through this, okay? We're gonna do it. I still have faith in you. Okay, so anyways, let's see what is inside of this full beauty box. It does say Nivea on the package, so maybe there's something Nivea in it. This is a little thing, it just says embrace your beauty. Now in here, I can already tell you that I have some bigger items in mind, whereas I've seen a lot of other people get some little bitty small things that just was like not worth the money. It is a free box. If you don't know, it is seasonal, so you get it quarterly and you only pay for shipping, so technically it's free and then it's $5 for the shipping. So if you are interested in getting your own, I will leave the link below in the description. But the very first thing that I am seeing that I'm just gonna pull out of here, it is the all-in-one Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal Cleansing Micellar Water Makeup Remover, Deep Cleans Pores and Refreshes. This is a good size sample of this stuff and I feel like it would last a good amount of time. Now the only problem I have with this is it says it is great for oily skin. I have the complete opposite, especially getting into the colder months. I have extremely dry skin. Like, it's super hard for me to get a moisturizer that will actually moisturize my face. So I will not be using this. So if you guys are interested, I think I'm gonna hold on to this for a future giveaway, which I will talk about at the end of this video. We're gonna talk about an upcoming giveaway. So the second thing that I see is, this is the Pantene Foam Conditioner Sheer Volume. I did actually get this in my last month, my last box that they sent me for the summer. I already got a sample of this and I used it when we went camping and it works pretty cool. I mean, I like it and I'll use it, so it's good. All right, the next thing that I see in here, I did see some other people get this and I'm really happy about this product. So this is the Hello, which I've never heard of, fluoride-free whitening toothpaste with activated charcoal, fresh mint, and coconut oil. That's an interesting mix. So I'm happy to try this because I've heard and I've seen that the charcoal or activated charcoal is really, really good for your teeth and it really, really does help whiten it. So I'm really interested in trying this. So I'm super happy about that. The next few things I have in here are a bunch of little small things. So we have this is the Nivea product that they advertise Nivea on the box. This is Nivea Aloe Vera Body Lotion. So it says 48-hour soothing moisture. Just a little sample of that. And then I also see, this is the Freeman, which I got a Freeman peel-off mask from Walmart before. If you did not already see that video, I'll link it in the iCards. I think they're over on this side. I think so. I will link it up there because it is hilarious. I will never, ever, ever get another Freeman peel-off mask. Thank the Lord, this is not a peel-off mask. This is a water gel mask and it is a leave-on one, which I've never heard of. You just leave it on. It's a water gel mask with cactus and cloudberry and it's supposed to hydrate, which is really good because, like I just said, I have pretty dry skin, so anything moisturizing would be is good for me. The next thing that I see, this is so cool. I have never seen anything like this. This is really, really cool. All right, this is My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch. Look at that. It's collagen, it's smooth and moisture plumped lips. So it is like a mask for your lips, and it makes them plumped and juicy. So that is really kind of cool. I am super excited to try this. I wonder how that's gonna go. Maybe I'll just do a whole video on this by itself. I think that might be good. Let's do that. All right, the next thing that I see is the La Bella, which I've never heard of. Soothing shampoo with avocado oil and a max hold styling gel. So you get the shampoo and the styling gel, just little packets. So that'll be good to try. And then they also did send a small pack of the Kleenex wet wipes. In the summer box, I got a good size packet thing of them, and this is a smaller version of that, so I'm assuming they have some kind of contract with Kleenex because they send them in every box. All right, the very last thing that I see in here is an eyeliner, which is really cool. This is a liquid eyeliner, and it is one of the felt tip liquid liners, okay? The problem with this is, it's Maybelline. If you guys, as you know, maybe you do, maybe you don't, I don't wear Maybelline. Maybelline is not a cruelty-free brand. It's one of those drugstore brands that I just do not condone. I'm not gonna mess with that. That can go in the trash for all I care. I'm sorry, it might be good, but no, that's not for me. And unfortunately, I'm not gonna put that in a giveaway because I don't wanna condone my viewers to look at that, to use that kind of stuff either. Again, if you've not seen my cruelty-free product videos or the informational video, I have 2 of them about being cruelty-free. I have those as well. Check the iCards, check my channel and all, they're there. So the last few things that are in here is just some coupons. We have the Maybelline, which we don't care about. There is Nivea, just talks about Nivea, there's no coupons. Black and white. Oh look, never tested on animals. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's the good stuff. That's cool. Oh look, they have mouthwash and stuff too. That's neat, but it's not a coupon. And then the Pantene one as well with instructions if you don't know how to use a conditioner there, but no coupons. So yeah, so overall, I think this is a pretty good box. Like, I got some really good size samples, and I think it's totally worth the $5. I mean, this is a good box. And obviously they don't look at your profile though, because I have something for oily skin, which does not apply to me. Maybe they sent me the wrong one, but I don't know. Oh well. It's some good stuff. I still got things that I believe are totally worth the $5. So like I said, if you do want to try your own, the link will be in the description. It's just Walmart beauty box thing. And also, let me tell you about my upcoming giveaway. So me and my husband, we have come up with a agreement. And the agreement is, because I'm at 923 subscribers right now and all of that. So the goal is for me to get to 1,000. I do plan on having a massive giveaway. I'm gonna have 2 prizes. One that will be opened to international, which will be some form of gift card, and then also other products and things will be open to the US for shipping purposes. I can actually ship it in the US and it's cheaper, so that's why I'm doing the gift card for the international, but we'll talk about all that in another video. So I do want you to stay tuned because like I said, we are having a giveaway coming up very soon. And the thing is, if I can get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month, I know it's only a couple weeks away. This is a long stretch because I need like 80 subscribers, 77 subscribers to get there, which is a long stretch in like 2 or 3 weeks. 2 weeks? Okay. But we're gonna try, and if I can get there, if you guys can help me, my husband agreed that I could do his makeup. So that's gonna be hilarious. It is gonna be amazing. So that's the only way he's gonna let me do it. So you guys have got to help me because I would love to do his makeup. If you wanna see him do makeup on him, like a manly man with makeup, like that is just, I can't wait. You guys have gotta help me get there. So tell your friends, share my videos to playlists or other social medias. Get us to 1,000 so we can also do that giveaway. And then as a special thing that I get to do that you guys will definitely enjoy is the makeup on my husband. So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like this unboxing, you like some of the products I have and all of that. If you are not already, do subscribe for more awesome videos I post every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Saturday. And stay tuned because next week on Monday through Saturday, I will be posting every day for my Spooktacular event with different Halloween looks and makeup tutorials every day for Halloween. So that is going to be so fun. I cannot wait, and I hope that you guys look forward to it and will enjoy it as much as I have. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.